Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. This is the second part of how to configure Tomcat with Eclipse. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to set up Tomcat from scratch. Tomcat is an open-source Java web application server and used widely to run Java applications. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. Do watch the video till end, to get all the insights. So let's get started. Step 1. Download Tomcat. Open your browser. Go to tomcat.apache.org and click on the latest Tomcat version. That is Tomcat 9. Go down and click on 32-bit/64-bit Windows Service Installer. The download will start automatically. Step 2. Install Tomcat. Open the exe file and folder and right-click to open the file. You will see a permission pop-up. Click on Yes. Installer will open. Click on Next. Click on I agree. Click on Next. Now, you can see the port is 8080. Enter a username and password. Click on Next. Click Next and click on Install. It will take a while to install all dependencies. Uncheck Show README and click on Finish. Step 3. Check installation status. Open browser, go to New tab and enter localhost 8080. If you're seeing this, you have successfully installed Tomcat. Congratulations! Step 4. Start/stop service. Press Windows plus R key to open Run. Now, enter services.msc and click on OK. Here, you can see Tomcat status as running. You can right-click and click on Stop to stop the services. Similar way you can also start it again. So, we have successfully seen how to set up Tomcat from scratch. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comments section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.